Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for All, the channel where VTU concepts are explained simply, clearly and exam oriented. In this video, we will learn what is a sparse matrix, how to convert a matrix into triplet form and how to find a transpose of a sparse matrix. This is a very important VTU exam question, so watch till the end. A sparse matrix is a matrix in which the number of zero element is much greater than the number of non-zero element. If most of the values are zero, storing all the elements waste memory. So we use a special representation called triplet representation. A matrix is called sparse if zeros are more than non-zero elements. So here is our given matrix. You can see there are 5 rows and 4 columns. Now count the non-zero elements. There are 8 non-zero elements, so this matrix is clearly a sparse matrix. Triplet representation stores only non-zero values. Format is row number, column number and value. Like this, 5 row, 4 column, 8 value. Then this is the general information about the matrix. Then first row, first column, value is 10. The first row of the triplet matrix stores total number of rows, total number of columns, total number of non-zero element. Now in this, see 1 comma 1, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 4. Like this we will fill all these values. Now this completes the triplet representation. Now let us find the transpose. In transpose, row becomes column and column becomes row. In triplet form, just swap row and column values. Original matrix was 5 cross 4, so transpose matrix will become 4 cross 5 like this. And now we will write the triplet form of this matrix. Here 1 comma 1 and 1 comma 2 is 10 11 like this. See, this one is 1 comma 1. You have written 1 comma 1 10. Here row becomes 4 and column becomes 5 because it is a transpose matrix, and like this you will fill all these things. Always write the definition first, write triplet header correctly and use row wise scanning. Need table equal to full marks. That's all for the today's video on sparse matrix. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to Express VTU for all and share it with your friends. And if you want these notes, do join our Telegram channel and you will find these notes there. Thank you.